Welcome to lesson 4 of the Pico.OUT series, where we're working with Paul McWhorter, and he's helping us learn the Pico.OUT and also a little bit of Python programming. Okay, so on this Pico.OUT, what I did is I added the extra LED from lesson 3, which is this white one, and then I put it on this pin over here. And then I brought it over, and then I took my grounds and I changed them from lesson 3, made all the grounds on a bus, connected the bus to this pin over here. And then what I'm doing is I'm doing 3 different sequences, all from the same code. I'll run that now. You can see we start with the outer, then we go in pairs, work our way back into the center. That's the first sequence. The second sequence, we sequence through all the LEDs up to 16. This one represents 16, and then we go backwards through them. And then the last sequence we're going to see after we get to the yellow, we have 25 random numbers between 0 and 16. So these are just random. It'll cycle through 25 times. You'll see how I did this in the code. I used lists to do this, and it was pretty easy, and some nested if statements. So the code is a little more advanced than the last one. Have a look. I'm going to be doing all these lessons, so subscribe to our channel, and we'd appreciate it. And if you learned something from this or liked it, give us a like, and then also a comment would be helpful too. So just cycling through the random ones, and we're about done now. And at that, I'll sign off. Thanks a lot.